Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Versátil Idiomas uh, related to the English language, and today we're going to be talking about another expression, and in this case we're going to be talking about on a budget. So what is this? What is the meaning of on a budget? On a budget basically means not having much money for something. Okay, so if I have something planned, if I'm doing something, a project, a personal project, if I'm doing whatever that I am doing or whatever my situation is, but the main characteristic is not having much money, the expression for this is on a budget. For example, for my last trip, I uh, I had to stay at a friend's house because I was traveling on a budget. Okay, so for my last trip, I had to stay at my friend's house or at a friend's house because I was traveling on a budget. That means that I was traveling with a very short amount of money. Okay, and because of this, to save money, I stayed at my friend's house. And you, have you been in a situation that you could say that you were on a budget? If that is the case, let us know in the comments and subscribe. Click the like button, and I will see you in the next video for English. Okay, bye bye.